Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos, we were checking out a software called Deepbrain AI. This software is used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You're seeing on screen right now some of the ways in which you can create videos with this software. You can create videos using files. You can create videos using URLs. You can upload pictures and then the software can create videos out of those pictures. In the previous videos, we have been checking out some of these functionalities. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it's capable of. I'm using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. We have a couple of more videos regarding this software coming up in the channel. This is one of them. In this video, we're going to generate a script using the AI assistant and then using this script to create some bullet points or some highlights of the script and then create a video out of that script. As always, I'm gonna turn my camera off so you can see the screen a bit better and I'll see you guys in the end. So as always, this is Deepbrain's homepage. These on the bottom are all the projects we have been working on previous videos. So in this video, we're just going to be using this tab at the top that says what will you create today. If you click on it, you get some suggestions that you can use in order to create videos. You can go to the script generator tool if you click right here, and you can write whichever kind of topic you want the video to be about. Let's say that the topic for today's video is going to be forests. If you just write that word right there, and we have the topic to video selected. On the bottom, you can select if your video is going to go to social media, if it's going to be used in a business or for education. I'm just going to leave it on social media. And if you click on this arrow right here, the AI assistant is going to take a couple of minutes to generate a script for you to use. You can pick out from a bunch of different styles for your video to have. I like this one better, the pixel art video. You can pick from these templates at the bottom and you can pick out an avatar for your video to have a talking avatar in it. I'm just gonna pick this lady right here and use, for example, this template. You can pick out the aspect ratio of your video. This one right here is on portrait mode. You can also have it on landscape mode. If you don't want an avatar to appear in your video, you can select the voice only option. Once everything's done, you can just click on next. The software is then going to create a script like you're seeing right now. Right now we have 5 different scenes. The software created a script for each individual scene. Right now it is generating the captions for our final video to have. And once the captions have been created, you can go to each specific scene and you can edit the way in which the script looks in each individual scene. As you see right here, if I click on each of the scenes, they are changed on the preview on the top right here. And if I click play.
Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible importance of forests? Forests cover about 31% of our planet's land area.
I can check how the voice sounds in each of the scenes. The avatar is not going to move right now because that is on the final part of the video when it is already rendered. But if you click right here on editor as well, we are taken to the full screen editor where we can do a bunch of different stuff. Once again, we can select each individual scene. As I selected pixel art, that is how the background of our video is going to look like. But if, for example, we were to change the media that appears in this scene, we would go to the media part right here on the editor, and we can look for a bunch of different images and videos that are inside of the library of Deepbrain AI. Also, if we go to the AI script assistant tool right here on the bottom, we could generate a new script for the scene to have a different script using ChatGPT. Once again, if we write a topic, it is going to be created at the bottom right here. For example, once again, if we write forests and click on generate, the software is going to take a couple of seconds to create a new script such as this one. We can regenerate it and we can create as much or as many scripts that we want in order to be specifically the one that we want in that scene. Also, in this part, you can change the avatar that it is shown on each specific scene. You can change the voice of the avatar using these options on the top. You can change the language as well from all of these that are inside of the library. Right now, Dominic is the one that is speaking because that's this avatar. But if you go to model, you can choose from a bunch of different ones like we saw on the previous steps. You can also change the template in which the video is shown. You can add texts if you want to emphasize a part of the script or of the video in one of the scenes. You can play around with the captions. If you click on each specific scene, you have different captions and they are divided like so. You can see in which specific second this part of the script is being spoken and this part of the script is being shown as a caption on the scenes. If you click on assets, you can also upload images and videos for you to replace on specific scenes of your project. You can also record your screen if you want to show something that you're doing on your screen on the video. You can add shapes, once again, if you want to emphasize something that is happening on the video, or if you don't find a specific image or video that you want to use in your project, you can just describe it to the software and then the software can create it. We have done so in some of the previous videos. So once again, if you want to check out how this tool works, I really invite you to go to the channel and check out the previous videos that we have created about this software. Right now, we also have some music playing on the video. The song that it is playing is called Progress is Inevitable, but you could also change it if you go to the audio part of the media tool and select from all of these other music tracks that the software has in its library. Using these three dots right here, you can also add transitions in between the scenes. You can move them from right to left, you can duplicate them, or you can delete them. Once we click on export right here, we are taken to this screen that are the export settings, and you can export the entire video or just the audio. For example, if you wanted to use this audio in a different project. Once we click on export, then the software is going to process our video. You can see the exact progress on the home screen like such. And after a couple of seconds, the software has already created the video. If we click this option right here, we're going to be taken to the editor once again, or we can view it.
Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible importance of forests? Forests cover about 31% of our planet's land area, playing a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. They are home to more than 80% of terrestrial species, providing habitat and food for countless animals and plants. But forests do more than just support biodiversity. They absorb carbon dioxide, helping to combat climate change and produce oxygen, which we all need to breathe. They also regulate water cycles and prevent soil erosion, making them vital for our environment. Unfortunately, deforestation is a growing problem, threatening these essential ecosystems. Every year, millions of trees are cut down, leading to habitat loss and increased greenhouse gas emissions. So, what can we do? We can support sustainable practices, advocate for conservation, and even plant trees ourselves. Together, we can protect our forests for future generations. Let's take action now.
As you see, this is the whole video that the software created with just one word as a prompt. On this screen right here, you can share the link if you want, for example, a coworker to edit the video. You can download it if you want it locally on your computer. You can dub it if you want the video to be in another language as well. We have done this in one of the previous videos. You can leave comments on the video, or you can promote it if you want it to reach a bigger audience. As you saw, creating a video using just one prompt is really easy using Deepbrain AI. The software creates all of the script. It selects the media to be added to the video. You can play around with all of the different tools to get specifically the kind of video that you want. But as you see, the process is really easy and intuitive. We just wrote the prompt forest, and the software created a 1-minute video explaining the importance of forests and digging deeper into this topic. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial. I want to read all of your comments down below to check out if you've used this software. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.